Looks like it's Sprunki time again. But this time, it comes with a perfect twist. That's right. Everybody wants to be a cat. Let the feline fun begin. Shine a light. Uh-oh, it looks like the claws are coming out. Okay, spray bottle, do your thing. Now let's take a trip to see where the real cool cats go. But things are getting dramatic. What's Black Cat up to? Oh no! He knows your combination! Or is that just his safe? Let's hope so, because he's making some withdrawals. That alarm makes me think it's not his. So that explains why he brought Orin along. You might be orange, but you've been caught red-handed. On the plus side, you already got an orange suit. Sort of. Don't worry, Orin. We'll sneak you a treat. And it's got a special surprise inside. I think we've got a problem. Don't worry, it's gotta come out somehow. Get scooping. It's cheaper than hiring a lawyer. I would have worn gloves, but time is of the essence. Okay, kitty cat, make like a fox and sneak on out. Uh-oh, it's a maze in here, and it's a messy one. Careful, this maze is a really interactive one. Either we fire that Minotaur or get him a litter box. Hurry, Orin! We drew you a way out! Next up, a locked door. Looks like we've got to solve an equation. Got a calculator? Well, some combination must be right. Don't worry, we've got our minifigs to help. If you know how to count, adding's the next best step. Seriously, arithmetic's a slippery slope. See, we're already doing subtraction, and with bugs too. Just take away the number and count. Let's try 3. Aha! Just one more to go. Personally, I prefer multiplication when it comes to jewels. Well, I guess there's just one left standing. And we're on our way out of here. Bugs and doors? What, out of chutes and ladders? Either way, let's roll the dice. And maybe roll up a newspaper. A key! Think it'll come in handy? It did! Uh-oh, another bug! Where's that shoe? Step to it. And look, we got another key. One last bug left. And we've got something special, a shovel. The final door! Now ease on out of here. They say it's always good to feel wanted, but this feels like a good counter-argument. Well, guess someone's getting a makeover. A sombrero, a bow tie, and purple shoes. Looks like it's time for another makeover. Next, a cowboy hat, goofy glasses. Voila! Well, at least the cape matches the hat. Let's find Pinky and clear your name. Oh no, don't scream! See, it's just Oren. Yeah! Uh-oh, here comes the third wheel. Hey, are these two having a cat fight? Wow, fighting must be good exercise. Seriously, I can see right through them. In the end, only one cat is left standing. What a happy ending. Wait, we returned the jewels, right? Wow, it's Pinky and Oren's big day.
Oh.
Yes, very touching. Where's the cake? Oh no! Mr. Black's tampering with it! I'd still take a slice. Come on, cake is cake. Oh no! They're zombies! The living dead! These theme weddings are getting out of hand. Careful, don't swat them. They might bite. Don't worry, maybe science will save them. But we'll have to play a few games first. Let's start with a round of Spot the Zombie. It's just Wenda and her unmentionables. What's with all the masks? And spare Sprunki parts? Time for a quick zombie check. Oh, it's just Sky. And he's just stocked up on Sprunki costumes. Guess Pinky's a mummy for Halloween. Hold on. Let's check your luggage. Zombie food! It's not Pinky. It's Zombie Derple. Zerple? You don't deserve to wear this bow. You're under arrest, and we've just earned our first potion. Next up, it's a shadow puzzle. Match everyone to their shapes. Might as well give it the old college try. That's not quite right. Think ears. Find the shape with big rabbit ears. She and Oren are always close by. Next, think spikes. Spikes. Yeah, now you're getting it. Ah, red and green. Just like Christmas. Now hurry, it's Zombie Aqua! Run! Well, no use crying over a spilled vase. Except you woke up Zombie Sky! Oh, this is bad. He's supposed to be hibernating. Don't panic! All we need to do is block the exit. Ah, yes, the pillow. The zombie's natural enemy. Keep crawling, Pinky. Just keep crawling.
Phew.
And look, you've earned the next potion. Next up, it's a transformation chamber. And our soda can is the perfect test subject. Looks like we're getting a visit from Coca. So Peppy can't be too far behind. You know what this means. Let the soda wars begin. Nah, just kidding. You guys need to sort things out. 'Cause you two are gonna be lab partners. Relax with a nice cola bath. With extra fizz, too. Aw, these two have never been closer. If only you two actually got along. Breaking up is hard to do, but we're professionals. So you two will be splitting up in your sleep. What else does the sand have for us? This'll keep things clean. And next, something to cut the cake. And by cake, I mean soda, which we can cut. You take a break, and we'll take this. Baby Sprunkies. They make their dreams come true, but it looks like they're in a nightmare. This rescue is brought to you by the letter A. Huh, that was close. Quick, to the seesaw! Alphabet power! B to the rescue! Almost done. We gotta protect the slide. C is for cookie. And also crush! Hurry, Sprunkies! Your moms are here to pick you up! We just need to help match them up. Something tells me they don't go together. Ah, that's more like it. And by process of elimination, Baby Ratty goes with Mama Ratty.
Yay!
And it's a mini reunion for the Pinky pair. Does she have a strawberry milk mustache? Hey, Vineria, you've got a plant delivery. But you're not the only one with a green thumb. Granted, zombie or not, Sprunkies don't quite have thumbs. Either way, let's water your new flower.
Ew.
Now, what did we say about overwatering? Okay, we're gonna need some weed killer. Uh-oh, are we out? Wait, we just need to clear things up. So that's what happened. We've got to hook up the pipes. Yeah, I'd avoid the bombs. That's usually good advice. Now it's time for some plant be gone. Just make sure not to get any on Vineria. Oh, now we're gonna have to mow the lawn, as it were. Vineria's so happy, she's got something for you. Aw, the Labubu's are having a picnic with special guests, zombies, and bees. Uh-oh, these guys have been working out. Oh no, not a puddle! Oh, this just isn't the Labubu's day. Is there anything in the trash that can help? On second thought, let's put the lid back on. But that straw could come in handy. And you're safe. Now let's check on your friend. Quick, use the elevator. It stops here, but luckily, we can teleport. You know, we probably should have done that first. Ah, thanks for the dynamite idea, BTS. Almost in the clear. We just need to reach the roof. You're safe. But how do we get you down? Aha, a rope. Slide on down and join your friend. Note to self. Avoid haunted houses during a zombie outbreak. Can we hide in here? No, it's occupied. You know, we really should knock first. Let's just hope that door number 3 is the winner. Well, it seems safer than what's out here. But can we turn on the light? Ooh, spider webs! I wanted to visit the Spider-Verse, but not like this! Looks like a little matching game will resolve this. It seems like you have unlimited tries. But I think our friends would like you to speed things up. Talk about spider sense! You're doing great! Who knew cleaning cobwebs were so easy? We should get a job cleaning houses.